Welcome to today's critter story. Today, we're exploring the fascinating and harsh environment of the desert. This ecosystem may look barren, but it's teeming with unique animals that have adapted to survive in extreme conditions. Let's dive into the incredible world of desert wildlife. First up, we have the Fennec Fox. With its distinctive large ears, this little fox is perfectly adapted to desert life. Those ears aren't just for hearing, they help dissipate heat and keep the fox cool in the scorching temperatures. The Fennec Fox is nocturnal, meaning it is most active during the night when the desert is cooler. This nocturnal lifestyle helps it avoid the extreme heat of the daytime. These small foxes are also expert hunters, feeding on insects, small mammals, birds, and even fruit. Their thick fur not only keeps them warm during the cold desert nights, but also protects them from the sun during the day. Fennec foxes live in small communities and create burrows in the sand to escape the heat. These burrows can be quite complex, with multiple entrances and chambers. Interestingly, Fennec foxes have a highly developed sense of hearing, which allows them to detect prey moving underground. They can hear the faintest sounds of insects or rodents burrowing beneath the surface, making them highly effective hunters. Their large ears also play a role in communication, helping them express emotions and signals to other members of their group. No desert exploration would be complete without mentioning the camel, often called the ship of the desert. Camels are remarkable for their ability to go without water for long periods, thanks to their humps which store fat, not water as many believe. This fat can be metabolized into water and energy when resources are scarce. Camels have several adaptations that make them well suited to desert life. Their dense fur shields them from the sun, and they can regulate their body temperature to prevent sweating and save water. Their nostrils can close to keep out sand, and their long eyelashes protect their eyes from dust and sun. Camels are also known for their ability to travel long distances in search of food and water. They can carry heavy loads and have been used by humans for centuries for transportation and trade. Camels' wide, padded feet prevent them from sinking into the sand, allowing them to move efficiently across the desert landscape. In addition to their physical adaptations, camels have a unique behavior called browsing, where they eat thorny plants that other animals avoid. Their tough mouths allow them to consume plants with high salt content, which they can process without harm. This ability to eat a wide variety of vegetation makes them highly adaptable to different desert environments. Next, we have the meerkat, a small mammal known for its social behavior and upright stance. Meerkats live in groups called mobs or clans, and they work together to forage for food and protect each other from predators. Their diet includes insects, lizards, and even snakes. Meerkats are very social creatures, with each group member assigned particular roles and duties. Some will serve as lookouts, standing on their hind legs to watch for predators while the others search for food. When a threat is spotted, the sentinel will alert the group with a distinct call, and the meerkats will quickly retreat to their burrows. These burrows are intricate networks of tunnels and chambers that provide shelter from the harsh desert environment. Meerkats dig these burrows with their long, sharp claws, and they can have multiple entrances and exits for quick escape routes. Inside the burrows, the temperature remains relatively stable, providing a safe haven from both the heat of the day and the cold of the night. Meerkats have dark circles around their eyes to reduce the sun's glare, much like natural sunglasses, which helps them see better in the bright desert light. They also have an impressive immune system that allows them to eat venomous prey, such as scorpions, without being harmed. Their cooperative living and foraging strategies make them one of the most successful small mammals in the desert. Another fascinating desert dweller is the kangaroo rat. Named for its large hind legs and hopping movement, the kangaroo rat is well adapted to the arid environment. It rarely drinks water, obtaining moisture from the seeds it eats. Its kidneys are highly efficient, conserving water by producing very concentrated urine. This little rodent can even survive without direct water intake for its entire life. Kangaroo rats are nocturnal, foraging for seeds and plants during the night when the temperatures are cooler. They have cheek pouches to carry food back to their burrows, where they can store it for later use. These burrows also provide protection from predators and the extreme heat of the day. The kangaroo rat's large hind legs are not only for hopping, they also enable quick, agile movements to evade predators. When threatened, they can leap several feet in a single bound, making it difficult for predators to catch them. Their long tails assist with balance during these swift movements. Kangaroo rats have a unique adaptation to their diet. They can metabolize dry seeds into water through a process called oxidative phosphorylation. This adaptation is crucial for survival in an environment where water is scarce. Their ability to live without drinking water is one of the most remarkable adaptations among desert animals. Meet the desert iguana, a common reptile found in the deserts of the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. These iguanas are highly adapted to the heat, often active during the hottest part of the day when other animals are seeking shade. They feed primarily on plants, including leaves, flowers, and fruits. Desert iguanas have light-colored skin that helps reflect sunlight and regulate their body temperature. They are excellent burrowers and will often use burrows created by other animals or dig their own to escape the heat. These burrows provide a cooler microclimate where they can retreat during the hottest parts of the day. In addition to their plant-based diet, desert iguanas will occasionally eat insects, providing them with additional protein. They are known for their territorial behavior, with males establishing and defending territories that include basking sites and access to food resources. During the breeding season, males will display bright colors and engage in combat with other males to establish dominance. Females will lay eggs in sandy nests where the heat of the desert will incubate them. The young iguanas are independent from birth, ready to fend for themselves in the harsh desert environment. Next, we have the speedy Roadrunner. Famous for its incredible running ability, this bird can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Roadrunners are opportunistic feeders, preying on insects, lizards, small mammals, and even snakes. They are well adapted to the desert with long legs and strong feet that help them cover large areas in search of food. Roadrunners have a distinctive appearance with a crest of feathers on their heads and long tails that help with balance while running. They are also known for their vocalizations, which include a variety of calls used for communication between mates and to signal alarm. One of the most fascinating aspects of roadrunners is their ability to hunt venomous prey, such as rattlesnakes. They use their speed and agility to avoid strikes and can deliver powerful pecks to kill their prey. Roadrunners will also work in pairs to hunt larger prey, displaying a level of cooperation that is relatively rare among birds. These birds are highly territorial and will defend their area from intruders. They build nests in low shrubs or cacti, using sticks and leaves to create a safe place for their eggs. Both parents are involved in raising the young, providing food and protection until they are ready to fend for themselves. Finally, let's take a look at the scorpion. Scorpions are some of the most resilient creatures in the desert, able to survive in extreme temperatures and go without food for long periods. They are nocturnal predators, using their pincers to capture prey and their stingers to inject venom. Scorpions feed on insects, spiders, and small vertebrates. Scorpions have a hard exoskeleton that helps prevent water loss, which is crucial for survival in the dry desert environment. They are equipped with specialized hairs on their legs and bodies that detect vibrations and help them sense prey and predators. When hunting, scorpions use their pincers to grasp and crush their prey before delivering a venomous sting. This phenomenon, called fluorescence, is thought to help scorpions avoid predators by blending in with their surroundings or to help them find mates. One of the scorpion's most intriguing adaptations is their ability to glow under ultraviolet light. The exact purpose of this glow is still a subject of scientific research. Scorpions are also known for their unique reproductive process. The male performs a courtship dance to attract a female and, if successful, They will mate. After mating, the female gives birth to live young, which she carries on her back until they are ready to fend for themselves. This parental care ensures the young scorpions have a higher chance of survival in the harsh desert environment. That's it for today's adventure into the desert. We've seen how these incredible animals have adapted to survive and thrive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing animal facts. Thanks for watching Critter Stories, and we'll see you in the next video.